file there.
There will be a, something,
They were made here.
there, wait, 49 in home.
We got the whole thing. Cheryl takes my videos to
買って終わ
work.
りませんね。One time
Do I
I
have to
had to
convert
convert
those?
46 pages.
You had to convert it, but they were on the USB with,
Big
when we,
one,
the USB on this one. There was still.
Well, that's because this USB.
But they have a makeup on
It didn't work in my
so we
Mac,
had
and
to
it
do
didn't work
someone
in
in
this
this
one.
Remember?
No, this one doesn't work at all. This one does.
All these
It's really-
files.
But I didn't put it on this one.
Yeah, me,
I
so
don't even know
then
where
I take all these
We
bills.
just read it.
The people in
I know
there,
that. What I did last time, I didn't put it on this one.
Inside,
I already put it on. Anyways, maybe we can just turn it up and it won't be a problem.
inside, wasn't it?
So there, okay, so I'm,
Yeah, just back there, just take that away.
so everything is on,
Everything's here.
so we should be,
it should be down next week.
No, it's connected to
We
this.
just want to connect it to
Was
this
that one?
thing.
I can,
But,
say Cheryl the time. Cities.
It's what you,
we go back to school.
what you put into the original files for you.
But you
So
see,
the
I
envelope was in there and
Some
the
guys, they
date was
go
on.
on.
thought it was my first.
Yeah, I remember that.
And all that.
Adlin, Mallory, Alexandria, Rose, Venice.
See you.
I don't know. I don't even have a clue what that means. I'm gonna try my best to get this going as quick as I can.
Sorry for the delay, Miss Gay. Oh, there that. What do you like? It takes a while, can it? This is a long one. Okay, darling. Miss Gay,
I can't, yeah, if you want. But need help.
Okej, wel, dat is wel nog. Dat is daar. Dan we zien eigen Johnson Denny. Principal of ESK school. Dan is assistant gooi. Sehr was ik wil nu ik nou met nu go. Saan edit immersion program. This is so in 1998. Elder logo album. Met de bedoel no I wanted to do my best to have the immersion program focus on the our culture. So this says so when we got to the new building, we were told, we said we'll come up with a new logo because we're at this big school all this time, and then we moved to Castle Bay where it's nice and cozy. So I knew we had to have the E because we're from Eskisoni. And Ginawa Nogum starts with a K, so I said it would be nice if we had a ESK school because ESK is, they call Eskisoni ESK anyway. So, and I didn't want to throw this away because this is our original logo, Nikamoy. So I asked a lot of people what we can, if we could find a name for that started with an S. Started with an S, so we just made a hyphenated word. And this means so much because it means not just our language, it's everything that's about our culture, the way we are, So this is very name for our school that I find. Okay.
Are you doing that?
Yes, please, no. Yeah, okay, this is just us, we compile this, I have to work with other people in order to present my presentation because like technical problems, I can't do it. Okay, the year we started was 1999, and it was just a pilot project where I was hired, first of all, and the other teacher was Star Paul. So two of us were hired, and we had about 45 children to teach, starting from kindergarten. So year one, we didn't have a curriculum. The pilot project was, we were told that we were supposed to have these children from kindergarten to grade 3. The first year that didn't happen because come June, there was a whole bunch of other kids that wanted to be in the immersion program right away. So we had to, more teachers had to be hired. That's when Gail and, what's that one? Gail was hired anyway to teach the next class. No, that's not what happened. Two of us were still there. I stayed in the kindergarten program where Sarah moved to a primary position because there was more kids wanting to come in, and then some kids left because they thought the parents thought it was hard, but kids didn't mind it at all. Okay, then later on we asked for, Gail and I and Helen Soyboy, Gail, I'm talking about Gail right there. I went to a school board, asked if I can take this immersion pedagogy course that was at St. Thomas. So let's wait to see who else wants to go. So Gail was already there, Gail and Helen were already there. So they sent us over to St. Thomas in New Brunswick. So there was a certification course we took that, we graduated there. And so at one of these conferences, Louis Old-Finnish conference, I went to Jeff Orr and asked if there could be another one where it would involve everybody. So there was another one, and some people took advantage from other communities. Karina. We're not so awesome. Anyway, a lot of people are involved. We graduated from there too. So we have our certification there. So we incorporated, we followed the outcomes, provincial outcomes, so we wouldn't be in trouble. But we incorporated the Mi'kmaq values and cultures and traditions because that was the important part of our immersion program. In 2005, the study was undertaken by St. FX University in Mi'kmaq, Illinois to determine if the program was a success. The result positively supported the program. There was a team that came down. They were with us in the classroom. They looked at us, and they made a report after, and we passed because we followed all the curriculum outcomes. As time went on, like kindergarten wasn't too bad, primary wasn't too bad, but there was a time that our building was on fire. We had a fire in the building, so we had to evacuate. That gave us a good opportunity to have the staff, the whole staff, help the immersion program with everything from art, preparing the material. So that fell into place. Okay, when they first come in, we had very few speakers. There was one group in kindergarten that we only had one speaker. The rest were English speakers. So she was translating a lot. We did everything. Ema identity was an important part of our learning. Everything we could come up with that we knew at the time, we incorporated it. We found that we didn't have very many, we only had a few behavioral concerns in the school. Children seemed to behave. I don't know for what reason, because, okay, the Ingmar Immersion kindergartens that started the program, there wasn't very many that graduated. It was 20 of them. 20. Anyways, they're in college now, pursuing other, you know, a career in maybe. There's one that's going to be a doctor, so we're proud of her. She's studying to be a doctor. We had one that just graduated with her BA just recently, and the others are still in university. So we're very proud of the first group. See, they were more or less leaders along the way. Like when they passed when they graduated from the immersion program from grade 4 and they moved on to grade 5, we were told that they were always the top students because for some reason they're better listeners. Okay, or maybe good parents. Okay, provincial outcomes were used in the program. Alphabet song, I think everybody still uses that alphabet song that teaches Mi'kmaq. Sight words, we have sight words that we developed that we thought that were important. And then Mi'kmaq songs are used. Phonetics is taught by early literacy. My grade 4 students are able to read and write Mi'kmaq. This here, as time went on, like there's more English-speaking students coming into our program, so it's not as easy as it was when we first started because we're more. Oh, I should say it's more easier because we have learned through play now. With that one. Okay, this is what we have now. We have our own building that's located at Castle Bay behind Moine Gas. We have our own building. We have 140 students. They're small classes. We have a resource teacher. Before we used to have just a part-time resource teacher. We have a phys ed teacher that's not certified, but he's our phys ed teacher, and he does culture as well. We have tech people, we have guidance. Everybody at the building, at our immersion school speaks Mi'kmaq. It's a good environment. We have the TLE, the ladies that do the translation and the editing for the material that we use are there. We have a grade 4 curriculum developer that's with us. Her name's Vivian Bass, and she's full-time. We have our own buses. The students don't go home yet. They don't go home for dinner like the other school does. We don't have a cafeteria yet up and running, but soon, September, we will. That was the plus that we got for the other school. We will have our own cafeteria. Okay, so. Oh, this is what we need. We still need a music teacher. We're told that we don't need a music teacher, but the other school has a music teacher. So we feel that we should have a music teacher. We don't have learning centers, and we have children that really need to be in a smaller setting. We're still saying that we need textbooks, we need material. We have our TLE group that's there busy, hardly taking breaks because they're working around the clock. What we would like to see is another, maybe a certification program, because the teachers that we have now, most of them are new teachers that need to be upgraded. So a master's level in cohort program would be a good thing for them, because they're all new teachers. They're not specialized yet. We had quite a few that retired that were with us. Okay, we know that there's a master's level program in digital studies going on now, so hopefully we'll be supported. Okay, next one. Okay, this is what Gail and Carla are doing, or Blair, and this is what Gail has in his class. This here is the teacher guiding the oral conversation, and if you play this, you'll hear what's going on. You play it?
Okay.
Play the video.
So which,
Oh, it didn't work? Okay, let's
oh, is
wait.
it, oh, it's in the
It's supposed
presentation,
to work,
is it?
yeah.
Okay.
This one here.
Oh,
This
sorry.
one here.
Let me,
And this is Gail's class, and she's, I've got her here, I don't know.
I thought it was outside.
Go back.
That's it again today.
No,
What direction are we going
no,
now?
not that one.
Yeah.
This one. And this is, they're playing, this is called Learn to Play.
Come on, Spencer. Coach, that's some double nudging. Okay.
Cheerios thing.
So that's part of, social studies, social studies. And he's praying to Albuquerque to help him with the struggles of winter. I thought that was good. Is there another one?
Go to the next slide.
Oh, this is the other one. And this is what they do every day, little girl.
Yeah.
This is what they do every day. They try to learn to play in the classroom. And this helps them with their conversation skills. Okay.
We did a unit on, it was a
So this
unit
is
on
just
dental month.
pretending. This is
So,
just pretending now.
So this is part of our dental month, and everyone, like, we brainstormed how to take care of your teeth. And then after, we got to role play. And a lot of stuff I do in my class, we do conversationally mouth, and we do a lot of role play. And scenarios of what would you do if you were here, if you were there, what would you say, how would you say it? So a lot of these things, you would think we're just having fun and playing around in the class, but it's structured, dialogue, where I'm telling them dialogue, because there are some kids who have like an empty slate, like, they don't know what to say or how to say it, so I put words in their mouth and I teach them how to say things. And then, that's the result. You practice over and over again, model, repeat, and by end of the year, you had kids who barely spoke or weren't speakers at all, and you keep adding and banking little conversations here, scenario here, role play there, and then by end of the year, there's a whole lot of dialogue that they can actually say and understand what it is they're saying. So that's part of what I just.
Just the other day, we had visitors come from Mariah, Quebec, and they were so amazed. The teacher, they gave her the teacher aide that's supposed to develop the curriculum, and she's only a teacher aide. But she didn't even want to leave because she was so amazed of hearing these children speak. Meanwhile, where she's at, she doesn't hear that.
But there's always hope, like if you have no
Yeah.
speakers, like Bernie was saying this morning, if you can read and write, you won't use your language, but you also have to model and repeat, right?
Mhm.
So, I have students in primary who weren't speakers at all, and when they leave by May or June, you see how much they've progressed in terms of speaking a language. So, there's hope for all of us.
Yeah.
All reserves have hope to bring back the language.
I was at the office one day and one of the girl pops in and she was telling me, oh, Darling, Alagisku, could you, and I was trying to look up during the, and she was just using what she learned in Gail's class, and I was trying to look out the window and to try to talk to her, and she just took off. She was using what she learned in the classroom, and she was so proud of it.
And when someone comes in our classroom, like if you came to our classroom to visit, my students will open the door and they'll say, hello, how are you? I'm glad you're here. You know, well, that's the biggie sing, or whatever. They'll give you a greeting. They won't just say, oh, open the door and you come in. They'll actually do a dialogue. Any student that goes to the door know how to welcome you in our classroom. They'll say, you know, kuya, well, that's the biggie sing. Chuka bisqua. And that's
Automatically.
It's automatic now, whereas before, they'll open the door and just look at you. And now, it's not just one student, you teach the whole class and they all absorb it, they all get
Ladies
something
for
out of it.
Hartland, she just came into, maybe she'll get a kick out of it.
They're pretending, our dentists, they're using
And there's not even Gail in
they just dressed up as if they're
They're
dentists.
pretending. Oh,
So we do a lot of pretending in my class,
they know the names of dentists, so they're using those.
their names, yeah.
I was gonna say something. Oh, yeah. When I went to school, and even not that far back, I can remember the school having teacher aides for children that didn't know how to speak English. But at this time, like, the classes are getting big. I think it's opposite for us. We need teacher aides to help with the language. Instead of, it switches the other way around. We need more teacher aides in the building for children to hear a conversation even with the primary teacher going on between them. That's what they need. All these years they had teacher aides helping the English language. We need teacher aides that will help the meanwhile.
Chabeli no koya mekni. We did Gail at all school. Aim up. Kindergarten, grade one guy. Mr. Mgaluswa. Tell dad be me slow, like
Yeah.
behind. They put me in a special class. They put me in a special class until Mary and Paul noticed all that. But a lot of get like ABG, step a lot of get no easy, dial no easy, was it? You know, I speak for me, Munestum, what I see you do, and that never more thinking that time, you know, just because I'm going to on a boy, that he did mistake. You're so behind, you know.
Yeah.
You know, something's wrong. Then the teacher said came in later on, and you know. Well, yeah, you know, and yes.
Men giga ju del way ni olas is teacher aide I got me giga ju ni primary level anyway got udadish mi jwajis mutu mano. Bilo well one little classroom what I know to go out with there ni mali amachi yes is you go. But no malachi. Sometimes I have to go to 16 up to this one. Okay, what else we have? Okay, well, last year we did a project that Doreen submitted a proposal to, and it was granted. It was a Gojira Gojira project. So the Gojira project, we invited Joel Denny to come in, and we also invited Beverly Jador. The whole school learned how to do the Gojira. So Joel Denny was with us for a few weeks to teach us How to coach what? So right now today, if you go to any classroom and you play some drumming, they will dance for you. Nobody will say, I'm not gonna dance. Everybody dances, so we're so proud of that project. So this really develops their self-esteem, and they realize that this is for them. From that, our culture teacher got a group together, and they have a drum group, and I think you've seen them perform at the opening there. And they've been doing this kind of stuff in the whatever happens, any ceremonies in the community, they're called upon, and we're so proud of that. They even went to perform at the CBU, I think it was a graduation. Anyways, they were there. This is our group from the school. Okay, what else is there? Okay, this year we're doing a legend project, and it's too bad I don't have it, but it's on
Facebook.
YouTube.
Website.
You can find it anywhere.
Oh.
It's not YouTube. Go in the other thing.
Video?
Huh?
Apps.
Maybe it's on app. I'm not really sure. I'm sorry about that. But Mike Parkhill came to our school, and that's another project. Oh, this one, the legends. Tom Johnson and Carolyn Johnson helped Doreen with the making up these little video. They're not videos, audios of the legends. So if you visited Doreen, she was at the gym where she was. You could listen to those. She had something there that you could listen to the legends. I'll find it out. I don't know where it is.
It's on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on YouTube. And it's by every grades, starting from primary to grade 4. Do you have it? You can listen to one?
Yep.
Okay.
This is grade 1 Cornelius class.
Let's listen to Dale's class.
Obligo Moja. Michich.
Okay, make it okay, all guys.
See if it's.
Terjemah Tuhan, Sri Muti Piano, Nagwe,
now legend này cái mồi để nhớ chi à
Okay.
cái mồi với chi à chỉ là cái lá xìa vậy là cái chi nhỏ tí đó cái đó cái mồi cái lá xìa vậy với chi đuôi gặp nó vậy nó không mà xìa chỉ là xìa chỉ mà với chú cái nó gặp nó vậy it'll be appropriate for a little one so đó hỏi cái chi đuôi nó không mà xìa rồi nó nên mồi ai xìa gặp nè so 매기가 좀 애매매가 와이스 스케프 제로 그디었다는 해줬습니다. 아까 이시가 없었지. Carolina, 무슨 뭐 하셨지? 나도 와가지고 보이. Carolina's husband had all this equipment, and she was coaching all these children how to say stuff. It was so interesting. So that took about a month. We didn't get every couple of days. That's one. 이게 오시구와 spring concert 일마와도 legend similar 그 외지고. We have a spring concert coming in this month, so we're trying to incorporate what was done here. We're going to be showcasing our legends and whatever songs we know. So hopefully this will give them more self-esteem when the year ends. We always try to do that. Okay. And this is some of the students. This is the drum group, actually.
Are they videos or pictures?
Oh, no, they're just pictures. That's it? No? There's no. Oh, we had lots of visitors coming trying to help. So this is the time that our chief of Eskasoni came to help us since he's a teacher himself. And he taught all day. We booked him. He volunteered. So we booked him one day. He did the songs, he did the dances, he did the lessons all in Mi'kmaq that day. And he's willing to come back anytime he's free.
That's it.
Okay, let's go to it. Since we started the immersion program, we had people come to our school for curriculum material. We were more than willing to give it out as much as we could, because we were developing on the way as well. We started out poor. The stuff we had was just photocopy stuff, the stuff that was made while we were teaching besides that, because we didn't have curriculum developers at that time. It was extra work. We weren't popular, like if there was a position open. Not anybody, not just anybody wanted to be in the immersion program. People that we have, they're truly dedicated. They have their heart set on bringing back the Mi'kmaq. And I just want to say, we just don't want to bring it back in Eskasoni. We want to bring it back in Wamutkuwewanga. So when we go there, we can speak to them in our language. We don't want to be just Eskasoni people speak the Mi'kmaq. We want everybody that's Mi'kmaq to learn their language. That's my mission anyway. Question? And questions? It was hard in the beginning because there was nothing at all. Just a school. We're fortunate to have that where other First Nations communities don't have that, where we didn't have that luxury. They didn't have, lots of First Nations schools don't even have certified teachers teaching, like my visitor that was here the other day, she was a teacher aide, but she's expected to do much more. Any questions?
Eki lohiga, lohiga, luumani ani never tuwa murag itina murag kirimin nare
Nó có cái này nói cái school rồi như này là school ấy mẹ gala em có thể cái gì cho là grade 4 rồi mình ai cái nó đúng không chứ là gì vậy thì cái gì đó jotain ei muodollista. Gigantiskuaditkaassa. Gigantiskuaditska, reading level on muuta, on niitä tällaisen kopna, du ei muodita. Mulla näin. Tämä on mespa, kun ei mun savarusta, kun ei mespana, kun ei negomusta, kun ei eikös regular class, me still did piesa, kun ei. Ei kun me duidet, kun on mun jan, kun ei negoma medva. Kyllä vaan maattaminen, ja ei muuta eikä. Four class, kun mä katsin, ei vaan niin pysytään, kun ei se vaan muodostaa. Hausa on megisin kapkadu. Down ki was kun kutigina mel kignadi ki ungi bokati. Abon waju janwa. Jalma gidi me gaiga softi eda adis. Am durga the first there you saw. Cassette galiga to elma kim kuchik. Welcome to cassette mo area wasi gobni. So liga chigni anti cassette ka alma la is bijuas. Na wala sig ne wa galabis cassette nenemi da cassette. Tapi subsidi ya. Di sabnya subsidi ya. Kalau bagai agak pas kuna bega dani ya, biasa bega dani ya kau ya. Computer tu islian gula man. Site tu man. Can you find our site? Kisah Immersion School. Ada lah. Islian apa? Ada kau ini sih. Kita wala kau. Kira sampai mana di kedua. Jadi kita udah masuk je.
TSK awareness.
Immersion School. Nene so teacher kisi got up ini what no was here na busy time na ba tigne dai no tigiske so what no was here ta how I did ya igadu ya balaro chita basongi kwa busy gadu ko every day but face to na every as a private un spisqua sam paswen pas go down ungi kwa uni visual ungi kwa so che spivale un sega da nato poi si va kad mo si pisi nas spoke to again during the day all over here so highlights me no nas sega na dio check one of the teachers see and the other view I got yes not advanced in technology
iPad, you know,
she's got an iPad
I got a whole bunch of stuff on iPad.
okay so let's
What is the field?
no that's looking at
Somebody at the door.
oh
Casino.
Okay. See? So Cornelia has words that they'll need to look at, so they're right there. And Cornelia is,
Computer savvy.
very technically oriented. So she can even probably say the words and people can hear them. How advanced we are today coming from cassettes. So I think what is that on here now? Hello, Donna, on here. Choice one. Okay, is that function? Oh, okay, and nothing else we can see. Almost these,
Want me to go teach your pages?
no, we're done here. I don't know if you can open it. Let's open this one.
Make it a name of parents and put all of us in.
I need it. I'll see you. I'll see you.
This one with it from.
I'll see you. I'll get you. 4 days you will drink that. Okay, the very aim and love. Grade 1. Yes, yes, a bit. What's going to see? Triple it. Aim with your primary. But then I'm not here. I'm going to get you. No, he's looking. No, you got the huh? No, everyone else is. When you slide on it, they can see that. Slide on it. Can that happen? Like
audio.
Click on
yeah,
it.
audio. Yeah, but I don't think there's audio here, but can you include audio in the homework thing?
Can you include an audio file?
You don't have to come down, Alan, to teach us.
Yeah, we can, in Microsoft, that would probably have to be, that might have to be PowerPoint, but it could certainly be done.
It would make it so that much powerful, I think. Do we have the sound as well? Or even pronounce pronunciation, you know, how it's pronounced, and then say the word.
Yeah, we can come up with a program that allows that to happen for sure.
Okay, well, I'd like Alan to do that for us.
Yeah.
Okay. I think, and we need help anyway,
Yeah.
Dale always needs help. So someday, or anything, I mean,
Yeah, no, we'll chat, we'll figure out a day that works for both of us and
okay.
definitely, yeah.
Because we want to be, more advanced. Right now, we're still slowly developing stuff. We'd like to be more, easy for people to, just go there and find it. Even though she does this every day, it's really, like Dylan, Aglaciawi.
That might be a good PD.
Huh?
That might be a good PD,
PD
especially for like the other schools who are now in version 2.
Oh, yeah.
So is the purpose of that for the students to access it at home, or the parents, or both?
This is for parents, but we want them to use this with their child. Like we do with the,
So the main purpose of the teacher uploading that to the website is so the teacher has access.
this is their homework, yeah.
No, it's good to know, that'll help me in trying to figure out what the best.
Helps my parents. Not your part, how so they can hear it as well.
So they know, yeah, okay, yeah.
So we're open to better, what would be easier for us. And we're lucky to have people like you and Carla. Carla's always helping us. We're fortunate to have the MK always calling us to help us, because we were on our own all the time.
So each grade by the curriculum, we just follow up provincially, good anyway.
We just followed the curriculum. And we adapted. We got this right, dental health month, all of that. After the tradition, we have a big squeezing room in your community. Community, that was it. Gaelic people were interested in our school, so they'll be coming to a concert to see what's going on. So we have other people coming that are very much interested. We had visitors coming from Calgary, Calgary. She must have heard about us anyway, so we're proud of that. Okay, go ahead. Time is up. Nancy? Blair Isaac was no well signated, a teacher, visit teacher. Ni mal gavni ni karo really is work with this meeting. Karo Ashkenaz busy. Angela Christmas, it'll get down with a Con River. From what all no is got small. Beskino de Masignani is 7 weeks, October, so March. And we should rate deputy Pascal school. Beginning of the Masignani. And was a lot of it.
Somebody at the door.
She came to her, what an instant, and it wasn't. Ask. No, no, it's happening, but I'll know it's finished after. So I need to don't take, figure out, don't take when it's too much. Is there any question? Any question? Absolutely. Well, jag kan inte tycka det jag.
Thank you.
You guys should take your little group sometimes and do a field trip to Wampatuck and show the little kids they can speak Mi'kmaq.
Number
Really?
2.
Yeah.
I think it is.
Aquela guy
Don't be scared.
teacher say they're gonna be squad for
Yeah.
Eamon there with,
Alasis, kan du ha studier, eller?
Preschool,
Yeah.
it is.
Studier.
Not it, only reason to do that, Mount Billy School.
Head Start,
Head Start.
Head Start was the meeting.
Florian,
Chaba,
어디서 거기서 들리는 뭐.
yeah.
Chaba, what's getting on with it?
Oh, yeah.
This is on the school.
Dai, questo là è non muori, quello che da biglia oggi, quello che la mo quello è, questo è mi ha anche.
Really?
Poi smetto la cucina.
Maria, non che non si vede, non ci vedo. Dati on.
Io ci da.
Dati. Ja?
Le mi gioi ci da, le mi ti dici.
Alltså den till och med när det var snart löst dagarna. Och där också var nog vägar det går i det ja. Och är ju helt där där när man får. Det går ju där ju det är nog.
Educational trips och field trip och ja.
Nej, det är där helt där också. Ja. Dan ju is but ju lo is kida yo ma accommodate to it is na do it liado de la de gatina Mariah ka si da mi sab ne mo ke no de mo se pas ne mo to ju mo no is ka na de Mariah
Got I done high school la.
Huh?
Got high school la.
Good.
Never know. Just now. Nina, imam ne Irish. That was me. Imam ne Nujigana way up ne September or high school. Grade 10, 11 and more. Grade 9, 10 and 11 now. Minwege conversation bus it. There's no paperwork or nothing.
Ba ma pes ne mo.
Yeah, conversation bus it.
Ba ma
So, Nujinamani, the basics, down the hoy below me, Ginamoyo, the greetings, la boy. Got a more economic interested in but Messicali, Gulabis, a guy point, stress up to Ibada, Isala Hamni.
Mudan moni ke da ko chi mo gi mo su ku na do ne ba na mo su no je da ko chi ji ku ni ge muda gi ski le gi na mo en ju ja ko la ski na ku le me na ko e be dan
Moi Kinogaba curriculum, ni
wa ji
Nashba.
ba ma mo ga bu da ka muda mo sha wa ka gu ji na do go e ku ni ni na el do dis ko e le Calvin na el do dis na and ge Terry Denny big thing ke ne na ma ji ku ri ho dan la da di da but as we walk up we get to wa ji da no be so ni be do is to the we school da ha le ba ka
So down the last year, after the knocked them on in February, the Bambiga up in Damia on the whole. So yeah, Bepsi Day the meeting, Gulabis but they think it was a joke, but they name was conversation, Nadini Ajali. So Ajal looks up anyways, but Abijal Lubam, Pilway, teacher, done
me do e cos el lo istu nanda caro guleni el limo sin che baschi do tu ne sai che no macchina le che deve na bi lo isi la rischio no aduna ma fanno de gal tu na la when arts no na e non ti si vocabulary lo che sto eni cos ne che de la diget vamos per loro na de lo do che la video are che na ma sta di music na video also ti si e che video also non tu na a hoem da lo so is Miguel Rodilla by Shock. When I high school, I looked at Odyssey. Shock is the idea, magazine says, Hurtle, Raven shirt too. Now, the way constructive way, we go, Mubaskistolo is doing, but they board a video and the more. But any money in a lies. Me, my language teacher is Ajabana Maba. And they were I'm Italy now. I'm residential school, I'm spelling them and you get a soon again, I'm spell a lot again. I invite to Alex Jane and Delogic, bunch of work now, because she had in residential school, not a lot again, but a lot again. Gee, on in the yard, I went to it. I didn't mean a Galo. It took us to work all day, play drums, so is a guy, only we do. What else some new, but we go win, the matches. right away, let me da ba no video. Na ba no we to do no dan just come na ke de ge ge na jin west school ke residential school le wo shi et ni ma dan de la si you get ge ge ba de ju wan ta ko fi ju a ju su ju a very very ni ai 5 and up 5 de ge sing ba so am spe we mo ne ge mo ai mo am spe construct de ge ge ba da mi ne ko ya se de wi ya che wi ya pri de wa kan ni 우리 bus plug-in to Mario, ma last mo chali ai last ko di oga at ko ni mai last ko ja se wi ne pero for stuff like that ni lo ka ni
Sharon Paula, you know what you did. And do it when we got it enough. What did you do?
mas claro e
Which squad do you do? Immersion.
limited area there's you limited area so we see mo go na asam low we go many and with immersion school ala ga ka do no was of this ki was ka do this to jix to ari ni ga sai mo je jix to ari ba la we ji ba then take it in the
Direction.
yeah coach work look na di the project legends you guys video all this
They even like a locus or dan guys or legends ago.
oh my god
The locus or really audio in the body made.
audio just film all this they go more film all the audio get city
But they, like you said, midway curriculum more than they need, right?
no to go on when you done not when log you know
Yeah.
no to go on gisa no na sa go ya kami ah
Yeah.
so then what
So more reading, you get no more than one chance of reading. This gay, all right, we get got. We get no more than one with a dry up in February. Yeah. Yeah.
Talk to me.
Yeah, don't know to bother with
You know gonna be interesting
Yeah, high school, midway, you know, try to wind them in, never more. Depends, something more attitude more towards the language and the culture, right? So it can be fluent totally, so legamoka, kishkaji abone ni but midway get ba clubs that are read no jaya, so to all
Oh, well.